Tired of messy documents and struggling to organize your data? In this video, we'll transform chaos into clarity by showing you how to create perfect tables in Microsoft Word 2013. Even if you're a complete beginner, first, open your Microsoft Word 2013 document. Now, navigate to the Insert tab located at the top of your screen. This is where we'll find all the tools we need to insert our table. Click on the Table button. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with a few different options for creating your table. The easiest way is to use the grid selection tool. Hover your mouse over the squares to select the desired number of rows and columns for your table. For example, let's create a table with 3 columns, and for rows, simply click once you've highlighted the correct dimensions. And there you have it. Your basic table is now inserted into your document. You can now start adding data into the cells by simply clicking on each cell and typing. Let's populate this table with some example data. I'm adding names and ages to demonstrate how information can be neatly organized. To format your table, select it. The Table Tools tab will appear. Click on the Design tab to explore different table styles. Here, you can choose from a variety of pre-designed styles to instantly change the look of your table. Hover over different styles to preview them before selecting the one you like best, and that's it. You've successfully created and formatted a table in Microsoft Word 2013. With this simple method, you can neatly present any information. Subscribe for more helpful Microsoft Word tutorials.